been a brilliant day. It's the completion of our £120 million redevelopment of this station. It was once voted Britain's worst station, and it was recently voted Britain's best, and I agree, it's absolutely brilliant. The staff here, the project team have done an awesome job. It's now delighting customers. What a place to be really proud of.
The station like this is where the nation meets the city, and first impressions matter. Well, what strikes me as the first impression is gorgeous. So in all lights, all times of day, all seasons, this station now looks magnificent.
It's fantastic. I mean, this is such an achievement at any time, but to deliver this in the face of the pandemic over the last 18 months is really impressive. It's beautiful, visually stunning, but what this represents, of course, is a big milestone on our journey towards a modern, fit-for-purpose, sustainable railway service for the future. So my congratulations to everybody who's played a part in making this a reality.
Well, there's been two big challenges for redeveloping this station. The first is we had to keep it open for passengers throughout the construction project. So for 4 years, despite rebuilding a major city centre site, we've kept it open for passengers. And then, of course, halfway through the programme, the pandemic hit. We actually had to suspend construction here for a number of months when we suspended non-essential construction activity here in Scotland. But we got back as soon as we were allowed, and everyone's done an absolutely brilliant job. The team working between ScotRail, Network Rail, Transport Scotland, Balfour Beatty, all the other suppliers and partners has been absolutely awesome.